This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very competitive rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how to add a quiz in your Hostinger website builder. First, I go to google.com. I type Hostinger. I click on the first website. Now, I log in using my Gmail account. On the left hand side, I click on websites list. I scroll down. Here, I click on the website which is built using Hostinger website builder. I click on edit website. Now, my website has been opened. I click on flip coin. I scroll down. Here, I click on add section. Create a blank section. On the left hand side, I click on add elements. I drag and drop the embed code into the newly added section. Now, I click on enter code. I delete the default code and copy and paste the code which is present on my notepad. Copy and paste. Now, I click on embed code. Now, the quiz has been successfully added to our newly added section. I adjust the height and width of the quiz section. I adjust the section height using the arrow keys. Now, I click on preview to see the changes. I scroll down. Now I click on mobile version to see the changes. When everything is okay, I click on update website. Now I click on visit site. I click on flip coin. Scroll down. Now everything is added successfully to the website. Now I attend the quiz section. Next. Next. Now the result has been successfully displayed. Now to add a new question, I go back to the Hostinger website builder, click on back to editor, scroll down, I click on the enter code. Here I copy the code and paste it below. Here I change the question as what is the first letter of note. I give the option as N, O, T and E. Now I give the answer as N. Now I click on embed code again. and click on update website. Now I click on visit site, click on flip coin, scroll down. Now I attempt the questions again. Now you can see our question has been successfully added to the quiz section and the result is displayed here. So in this way you can easily add a quiz. Thank you.